Hi friends, Michelle Berry here again from Johnson RV in Fife, Washington. Here to tell you about our 2024 Travato 59KL. This is the Pure 3 lithium system version with the twin bed option. Beautiful, rare Spitfire orange color. So if you want something bright and bold and just ready to get out and go, this is the perfect adventure van for you. I did want to show you the unit with the door closed so you can see how beautiful this paint job and graphics are. Running board on the outside with tie-offs on each side for your gear or your pets. We have an electric awning out here that is lighted, so if you're taking the pets out in the middle of the night, you've got a nice bright light going, or if you keep the camp going late at night, that's going to be there for you. You do have some 110 outlets on the outside of this coach, external solar hookup. It is optioned with a bike rack. You do have the removable ladder. It's in storage mode right now, but this can be removed and brought down the driver's side of this coach to connect to that luggage rack on top. Plenty of solar optioned up there as well. You've got the Truma system on this one. Really nice blackout tires to just complete the aesthetic look of this amazing, beautiful Winnebago coach. 30 amp shore power connector here outside. Dodge Ram front wheel drive chassis. This is the 3.6 liter newer chassis with all of the updated safety features. So I'm going to open up the back. Actually, it looks like I locked the back, so that will not be opening up. When we go into the side, I'll show you through the side door. So dual pane acrylic windows on this coach. It's going to keep your sound down and the insulation quality high. Nice heavy duty accessibility grab handle for getting in and out of this coach. There is a power pole option in here to connect your devices. The Lagoon table will switch to the side for storage if you need it for an extra workstation. Both of these seats will swivel. Very comfortable ultra leather. Big screen in the Dodge Ram chassis and wireless charging built in. Giving you a look of the floor plan of this unit. You've got your galley here with just a really open floor plan. Single burner induction cooktop. Really deep, nice sink with this heavy duty Corian countertop and cover. You got your microwave, you've got your oven, eco hot, so that's going to keep you from wasting water in the tank as it heats up the systems. Dual twin beds that can convert to a king, so you have a really easy sliding system that just comes out to connect, and all of these pillows will fill in this center area to make a larger sleeping. You've got plenty of storage here below. So lots of storage. They gave you a Luno mattress, so that's an inflatable cab mattress that comes with this. This is also access to the Volta system components. You've got day and night shades with the blackout, and then your bathroom here off the back. I'll let John take a look into the bathroom. So the wet bath has the flip down shower top inside, along with a nice medicine cabinet for storage. You definitely have a hanging closet or extra storage back there. A nice little drawer and a bamboo insert on the floor, so it's nice and comfy and efficient. This has the drop down baskets as well on both sides. Lots of storage up top. Really nice, hefty, heavy duty, solid build by Winnebago with all of the upgraded systems. This thing is loaded. It's beautiful. It's a great adventure van to get out and camp in. If you have any questions, you want to see it in person or look at any of our amazing camper van inventory, I am here to help. My name is Michelle Berry from Fife, Washington at the Johnson RV location. Hope you're having a great day, and I can't wait to get you camping.